guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. So in today's video, we are talking about my top favorite, most loved drugstore and affordable setting sprays. So these setting sprays will all reduce the look of that powdery finish of your makeup. They will all extend the wear of your makeup and they will also give your skin a really gorgeous, glowy, flawless sort of a finish. Make you look photoshopped, but without you having to break the bank. So if you are interested in learning about all of my most recommended affordable drugstore setting sprays, then please keep on watching. If you are new here, obviously, make sure to hit the subscribe. I do upload 3 new videos a week, most weeks, and also hit that notification bell so that you are notified of all of my new videos. All right, let's do the affordable setting sprays. All right, first up, we do have to give an honorable mention to the NYX long-lasting matte finish setting spray. This one has been around for years and years and years, and it still continues to really deliver on its promise to extend the wear of makeup. This is a water-based spray and it does contain alcohol. It's very lightweight on the skin. It's got a really good mister on it and it definitely helps to lock makeup in place for, longer wear. I wouldn't say necessarily that this 100% keeps your skin matte during the day. Typically, you're going to get that sort of control from your primer and from your powder, but it definitely helps to extend the wear of your makeup and it definitely keeps everything looking really nice and fresh and reduces your makeup caking up and separating. So yeah, really do recommend this one. And also on that note, they do a dewy finish setting spray as well. I honestly love both of these. I do think that they are both really good. The dewy one obviously gives the skin more of like a glowy, sort of dewy, radiant kind of a finish. I also don't find that the dewy one lasts as long on my oily skin personally. Typically I will get a longer wear time from the matte one, but the dewy one still is really nice on those days when you want to look glowy and hoey. No, like when you want to look glowy and like, sort of like that beautiful sort of dew to the skin, but not so much that it makes you look oily and sweaty. Both of these are really awesome. They are cruelty free and they are really affordable. All right, next up I have this one by e.l.f. This is the e.l.f. Matte Magic Mist and Set. Initially I wasn't too sure of this one, but after using it over an extended period of time, I do have to say that I do really like it, and especially for the price, it is insanely affordable. This one I guess is very similar to the NYX matte spray. It definitely holds your makeup in place. It definitely stops transfer. It stops your makeup from sliding off during the day and it stops your makeup from caking up and separating. Again, I don't think that it necessarily keeps you matte during the day. I don't really think that any drugstore setting spray sort of has enough punch in it to really stop shine and to really keep your skin super matte during the day, but it definitely will extend the wear of your makeup and it looks really fresh and beautiful when applied over your makeup. Like, it doesn't leave your skin looking like, greasy and shiny. And it's also got a really nice fine little mist, so when you do spray it, you don't end up with those large water droplets that then run and bleed and sort of ruin your makeup. I really do like this one, especially for the price. You truly can't go wrong. All right, next up I have this one by Maybelline. Now this is actually a newer release from Maybelline. They have done several setting sprays over the years. I did recently try the glass finish setting spray, which is actually very similar in finish and wear to the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist, but me being an oily girl, I'm not like, I can't use those over my makeup for an extended period of time because I'm just, it's too shiny. The whole situation is too shiny. But this one here I have been really enjoying. So this is the Lasting Fix. They say that this is a 16-hour wear matte finish setting spray, and I really do have to say I get a really long extended wear time out of this. 100% it keeps my makeup in place, and once you spray it on the skin, it really does get rid of that sort of powdery texture that you can sort of have when you finish your makeup, especially if you're a drier skin type. It really sort of melts the makeup into the skin and helps it look really natural. I don't find that when I spray this it causes my mascara to transfer or anything like that. Just a really awesome, really long lasting setting spray. Will stop caking, will stop separation, and I do think that it does keep my skin marginally matte during the day. Certainly more matte than the previous 3 that I showed you, but definitely not like completely matte. Really recommend. Super affordable. Awesome formula. Okay, next up I have another really amazing setting spray that in my opinion definitely does the job, definitely keeps your makeup in place, and definitely keeps your makeup looking perfect. And it is from Makeup Revolution, and this is their Pro Fix. They call it their amazing makeup fixing spray. This one has got a little bit more alcohol content in it than the previous one, so it definitely does a great job if you are really looking to lock that makeup in. So, you know, warm, humid climates, or you might be going out dancing or for a wedding or something like that. It truly sets everything down. One thing that I will say is it might be a little bit intense if you do have very sensitive skin or a very dry skin type. It can feel a little drying on the skin after you have sprayed it. For me, that's amazing. Like being an oiler girl, I'm like, yes. Oh, keep that makeup in place. But if you've already got like quite dry, tight sort of skin, you may not necessarily enjoy the feeling of this, but it definitely gets the job done. Like it keeps my, you know, my blush and my highlighter and my bronzer looking really perfect. It keeps my makeup in place. It doesn't cause any creasing or transfer or anything. No caking, no separation when wearing this. I truly do love this one. It's a really awesome formula. For me, if I was going for like an everyday setting spray, I'd be going the Maybelline one, but then for like hardcore, like, you know, glam makeup for an event or for like a wedding or a night out or something, I would go with this one. And there you go, guys. Those are my top 5 affordable / drugstore makeup setting sprays. I've spent a really long time testing. I've tested, I feel, all the setting sprays, all the ones from Revlon, the ones from Rimmel, all the Maybelline ones, all the NYX ones. And these are my top favorites, certainly for, you know, extending the wear of your makeup and just keeping your makeup looking perfect for as long as possible. So I hope that this video helped you guys out. Thank you so much to all of you who have been requesting this one. Sorry it's a little bit late, but yeah, I really had to test these like over an extended period of time to know 100% that these are the ones that I swear by. So yes. Please, as always, if you have any questions about any of the products that you have seen in today's video, or you have any more video requests, please pop them down below. I just hope that today's video helped you. All right, guys, I love you heaps, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye.